home. I'm stuck on this couch, ain't nowhere to go. But there's a cold one waiting just a few steps away. My body's giving out, but my mind says, hey, hey, it's the refrigerator crawl. I'm dragging my feet. Got one last beer calling, and I need that sweet relief. Ain't no walking straight, but I'll get there somehow. It's the refrigerator crawl, and I'm doing it right now. My legs ain't working, but my heart's on a mission. Every creak in the floor's just part of the tradition. I'm sliding on my knees, but I'll get there somehow. It's the refrigerator crawl, and I'm doing it right now. My legs ain't working, but my heart's on a mission. Every creak in the floor's just part of the tradition. I'm sliding on my knees, hand over hand. It's a slow motion dance, but I'm still the man. It's the refrigerator crawl. I'm dragging my feet. Got one last beer calling, and I need that sweet relief. Ain't no walking straight, but I'll get there somehow. It's the refrigerator crawl. I'm doing it right now. I can see that light shining from the door. It's my little piece of heaven on this kitchen floor. With every inch I move, I'm closer to the prize. That ice cold can gonna make me feel alive. It's the refrigerator crawl. I'm dragging my feet. Got one last beer calling, and I need that sweet relief. Ain't no walking straight, but I'll get there somehow. It's the refrigerator crawl. I'm doing it right now. I'm doing it. I can see that light shining from the door. It's my little piece of heaven on this kitchen floor. With every inch I move, I'm closer to the prize. That ice cold can gonna make me feel alive. Now I'm leaning back, sipping on that brew. The hardest part's over, nothing left to do. So if you ever find yourself in a late night storm, just remember the tale of the refrigerator crawl. Now I'm leaning back, sipping on that brew. The hardest part's over, nothing left to do. So if you ever find yourself in a late night